Good day, sir. I am John Clark G. Pandak from BSCA 2A, and I'll be presenting to you my understanding with the provisions about the CMO number 3-2022. First topic, Section 2, Transfer of Goods to CBWs. TSAD or WSAD subject to non-intrusive examination. So every goods transfer to CBWs, even if it's transferred to another CBWs or just arrived with that collection district, with that CBW, on that specific collection district, it should be subjected to non-intrusive examination. So storage period of banded goods entered for warehousing may remain in CBW for a maximum period of 1 year from the time of its arrival at the customs warehouse. Reckoning of the storage shall start from the arrival of the goods to the mother warehouse. It should start from the mother warehouse. So storage period, maximum period of 1 year, whether it is covered with TSAD or WSAD, it should be from time of its arrival. It should be counted from the time of its arrival. For perishable, it is 3 months and extendable for another 3 months. Holding with a valid reason. For some valid reason that are maybe they have the reason of not continuing the operation and planning to cease the operation, something. For non-importation, allowable importations shall only within the limits of the CBW's respective authority or license. It is based on the specific raw materials. Based on each HS tariff lines, based on volume quantity, and this measured particular unit measured there are square meters, kilograms, or liters allowed per client. So for non-importation of finished goods, no importation of finished goods for warehousing shall be allowed. So importing of finished goods will ruin the purpose of a customs banded warehouse, because customs banded warehouse is intended for exportation. So only allowed importations for those raw materials. So maintaining the restricted and regulated good. For regulated, should comply proper requirement and issued by a competent authority, and the import authority for the restricted should be issued by a competent authority. Then if we can't secure these requirements, then possibly it shall be subjected to seizure and forfeiture proceedings. So next is withdrawal for local sales or domestic consumptions. Withdrawal for local sales shall only have 30% threshold except private CBWs. To the total volume of banded raw materials transferred to CBWs for the year, sales shall not exceed 30%. The provision on the threshold limit for local sales shall not apply to private customs banded warehouse. So if if anyone who wants to exceed the threshold limit of 30%, the only allowed to exceed are the private customs banded warehouse. Withdrawal for subcontracting. MCBW operator or accredited member may, on account of insufficiency of operational facilities or lack of material time to meet export commitment, and subject to the approval of the district collector, so they can withdraw for subcontracting, pass it to another subcontractor, maybe in a free zone locator or any collection district. So the subcontractors are only the accredited subcontractors. Next is for garment manufacturer, transfer of materials required for manufacturing shall be subject to the rules and regulations approval for the concerned agencies of the government. So only pre-cut or cut pattern material shall be transferred unless otherwise approved by the concerned government agency. Upon completion of the processing done by the subcontractor, finished materials resulting wastage shall be returned to the CBW's or Customs Common Banded Warehouse accredited member, which shall be examined by the assigned warehouseman, account for the duty and or tax-free materials used in processing. So prohibition on importation by industry-specific customs banded warehouse. Importation by industry-specific customs banded warehouse for fibers, yarns, fabrics, and accessories for the manufacture of garments shall not be allowed. It would only be allowed to MCBW. So provisions specific to common customs banded warehouses and its accredited members. Specific to common customs banded warehouse. So customs officials or representative, upon presentation of the approved mission order issued by the district collector or customs, mother warehouse and its accredited member shall maintain all times in their place business and make available for inspection. So all goods for transfer shall always be kept in record for the authorities' inventory management. Next, again, its storage period is only 1 year, and for perishable it's only 3 months, and extendable for another 3 months. Some valid reasons. Storage period counted from the date of the imported materials were received at the mother warehouse. Next is WSAD. Warehousing SAD shall be filed for monitoring purposes by the new Customs Common Banded Warehouse for the account of the member to replace the former import entries. So to replace the former import entries should have another new entry of warehousing SAD. Subsequent transfer sale by the first transferee buyer member or to another credited member of the same CBW is not allowed. So the transfer sale of banded goods shall be subjected to the approval of the district collector who exercise the jurisdiction of the CBW. So transfer of sale by the first transferee or buyer na nakuha na ang item, tas first buyer ka, so it can't be transferred even if you're within the same, if you're if even you're a co-member under the Customs Command Banded Warehouse. The CCBW and the accredited member buyer of banded goods sold or transferred shall likewise be jointly and severally liable in cases where there is transfer sale between accredited members of the same CCBW. Next, for section 10, transfer to CBW to direct filing of warehousing SAD. Section 10. Lodgement, filing, and processing of goods declaration for the transfer of goods to CBWs. Even transfer of goods to another jurisdiction of collection district, another CBWs, should still have lodgement filing. Transfer to CBWs to direct filing of WSAD first. There's one thing that we call direct filing. If the goods entered to the collection district where it is meant to enter, then